Nana a 15 ans, elle traîne qu'avec des reines, celles qui font 20 ans.
Y'all, I'm in Paris. I'm exhausted, but we're gonna make this work. I have 13 hours here and I'm going to make the most of it as much as I can. I am a little hoarse right now. I'm a little sick from traveling and being in Egypt for like 10 days or 9 days. I've been traveling for like the past 12 to 15 hours basically. Oh my god, these stairs, if I have to go up these stairs, I'm already out of breath. But we had a 6-hour bus ride from Hurghada, Egypt to back to Cairo. Had to go straight to the airport from the bus, like literally switch buses, and then had another 5-hour flight from Cairo to Paris, and then had to check my bags in, wait for that, having stomach issues because I have traveler's tummy from Egypt, and just really tired. But we're gonna make it work, and I'm about to climb these stairs apparently. The French love their stairs because I've gone down like 3 flights of them. Getting a workout in. Got my coffee, y'all. Let's see if I cry again like in Berlin. People really be walking up to me like I know what they're talking about. I guess that's a good thing because it means I look like I live here or from here, but not at all. I will say that Paris is definitely more diverse than Berlin. That's one thing that I definitely like more about it. There's a lot of different ethnicities here, so that's good. It's also just so aesthetically pleasing. Like, why does anyone come to America? Like, I really don't get it. Why do Europeans come to America and think it's like the greatest thing? Stay here, don't come. We're not a great. Could literally never, like, especially with the Eiffel Tower in the background. Y'all, it's literally so pretty. I'm dead though. I am so freaking tired. I'm barely hanging on right now. I'm trying to enjoy the moment and be like, I'm in Paris right now. Like, I'm literally standing in front of the Eiffel Tower, but I'm so tired. But I gotta pull through. This is what happens when you do long layovers after a long trip. Maybe suggest only doing long layovers before a trip. But we're here, we're in Paris. I really can't complain because I'm doing pretty good. So we're still going. I will say one downfall about traveling solo was that I have no idea what anything is. Like, obviously I know this is the Eiffel Tower, I know the big monuments, but I wish I knew like more of the history behind it. I definitely should have done more research and maybe figure out if there were like free like walking listening tours that I could have looked up, but it is what it is at this point. Still happy to be here, but learn from my mistake and maybe look up some like walking tours that you can listen to while you're like seeing all the sights and stuff. I don't know, I'm sure there's stuff like that out there. Rude. So you guys, fun fact about this thing behind me, that is called the Opulus, and that was gifted from Egypt to France. So the funny story behind this is that the French, I guess, wanted a gift, and Egypt was like, okay, pick whatever you want. And of course they picked like the biggest and best thing. This is like supposed to represent like a king or pharaoh going away to become a god, basically. Don't quote me on that. And so they were like, okay, we want this. And so Egypt was like, fine, we'll get it there to you guys. And so, sorry, this is a struggle. And so they got it there to them. It looks beautiful, of course. And so the French were like, oh, we're gonna give you something too. And the French gifted the Egyptians a broken clock. Apparently since day one when they got it, the clock never worked. So I think they got scammed, low key, high key, by the French. But it's really cool to see, like, wherever it is over here. It's really cool to see. It's like I was just in Egypt and seeing all the opuluses, and now I can come see this one as well. So, pretty cool. Good people watching. There's a pigeon underneath me. Anyway, that's my view because I am currently, there's a pigeon laying on top of a park bench because my feet hurt so bad. But I'm almost there, you guys. I have dinner at 3. The pigeons. I have dinner at 3. We're almost there.